Hey guys, another update on the Baja Bob right here, our off-road Baja Bug. That's front wheel drive. Yeah, I know, it makes no sense, but it's cool, so we bought it for $3,000. And in the last video, if you watched, you know that we had to have some repairs done to it. Mainly we had to have the check engine light sorted because here in Colorado we have emissions testing. That's been sorted, but we thought if it looks cool, it should sound cool. So we took it to our local muffler shop here, Monster Muffler, and had them put on, well, show them. Yeah, dual exhaust and of course a catalytic converter because the cat in here was pretty much non-existent. So now we can actually go and get it emissions tested and hopefully get the plate put on it. But I have yet to see what this sounds like. So this is my first time starting it up. So Alex, why don't you stay by the exhaust? I'm gonna go start up Baja Bob and see if we give it a little bit more character. So let's see what it sounds like. God, I did not think it possible for normally aspirated 4-cylinder 2-liter to sound so cool. That sounds incredible. Wow, I am impressed. Now, you might be wondering how much money did we spend on Baja Bob? We bought him for $3,000. We spent about $500 getting the check engine light, some other bits and bobs fixed. And I just spent $500 on the new catalytic converter and of course this really cool exhaust, and I can't be happier. So I think it's time to get a license, get an emissions certificate, and get this thing off-road because now it sounds as good as it looks. Actually, there's one thing we have to do before then, and that is wash it. Baja Bob is it's pretty freaking dirty. All right, well, this has been another update on this really fun project vehicle, and hopefully next time you see Baja Bob, we will be seeing if a lifted Volkswagen Beetle with KO2s and front wheel drive can actually go off-road. See you guys next time. Ciao. This is hilarious.